Dear students, now we are in 1 year track. Until yesterday we discussed the topic of scalar triple product of vectors. The topic scalar triple product of vectors. Among the topic we discussed yesterday concept of scalar triple product of vectors and level 1 also. Scalar triple product of vectors. We are in level 1 classwork. According to our schedule, just 2 sums are left yesterday. The sums are 23 completed yesterday, 24, 25. That's all. These 2 sums should be completed today. 23rd question. 23rd question completed. 24th question now. 24th question, the shortest distance between skew lines. Of course, you did not give the lines are skew, but we should try to understand according to the given data, they are skew lines. R bar equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar. S into 2i plus 3j plus 4k bar. This is first line. L1. R bar is equal to 2i bar plus 4j bar. 2i bar plus 4j bar plus 5k bar plus t into, this is a scalar t he given, t into 3i bar plus 4j bar plus 5k bar. We should calculate the distance between 2 skew lines. Yesterday we discussed about the skew lines. This is the equation L1 equal to 0 and this is the equation L2 equal to 0. We should calculate the shortest distance, is perpendicular distance between 2 skew lines. PQ shortest distance. This is A. Try to understand that the equation is in the form of R bar is equal to A bar plus SB bar, and the second equation is in the form of R bar is equal to C bar plus TD bar. The formula we discussed yesterday, shortest distance. The shortest distance between skew lines formula, modulus of box A minus BD, modulus of box A minus BD by B cross D. So now we can say that modulus of A, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. A minus B, here 1 minus 2 minus 1, this is A minus C. 2 minus 4 equal to minus 2 and 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. Next one, B and D, write directly 2, 3, 4 and this is 3, 4, 5. That is equal whole by B cross D also I am writing here. I, J, K, here this is 2, 3, 4 and here this is 3, 4, 5. Using the determinant, we can calculate here minus 1 into 3 5s are 15 minus 16 is minus 1. Here it becomes plus 2. Plus 2 into 2 5s are 10 minus 12. 10 minus 12 is minus 2. Next this one minus 2. Minus 2 into 2 4s are 8 minus 9. This is minus 1. Whole by I into this value same 3 5 is 15 minus 16. This is minus 1 minus j into this is minus 2 and plus k into this is minus 1 over modulus. That is equal to minus 1 into minus 1, it is plus 1 minus 4 plus 2 by root of magnitude 1 plus 4 plus 1 by root 6, 2, 1, 3, so 1 by root 6. 1 by root 6 is the shortest distance between the given skew lines. 24th completed. Let us discuss about 25th question. The lines Same line, same formula given according to skew lines. R bar is equal to A bar plus TB bar, comma R bar is equal to C bar plus SD bar. Let it be second equation. Given that 1 comma 2 are coplanar, means the two lines lie on the same plane. Then what is the value? The two lines, let us draw the rough diagram. Let this is first one L1 and this is second one L2. L1, L2 are two lines. These two lines are coplanar. Whenever two lines are coplanar, we know that det equal to 0. It is the shortcut. Box A minus BD is equal to 0. You can say that box this one A minus C dot B cross D or A minus C cross B dot D. A minus C dot B cross D. Here like this we can write. A minus C dot B cross. That's all. Simply. A minus dot B cross D equal to 0. Option 2. So this is easy question. Option 2. Coplanar condition. Before going to level 2, we should discuss about two formulae which are important in IBE. That is volume of parallelepiped and volume of tetrahedron. Volume of tetrahedron formulae. First one, let draw the rectangular parallelepiped. It is nothing but cuboid. Try to understand that this is not a cube. Rectangular parallelepiped. I am writing here the formula first of all. Volume of a rectangular parallelepiped. Volume of a rectangular parallelepiped having A bar, B bar, C bar as coterminous edges. Let us draw the diagram using X, Y, Z axis respectively are the unit vectors. The concept of X depends upon X, Y, Z. This is X, this is Y, this is Z. Among X, let it be A bar, and among Y, let it be B bar, and among Z, this is C bar. A bar, B bar, C bar are the coterminous edges. The volume of rectangular parallelepiped is equal to modulus of box ABC. Next to second one, volume of tetrahedron. Volume of tetrahedron having A bar, B bar, C bar as coterminous edges. Tetrahedron. OABC I am writing. Here you can put OABC like that. OA equal to A bar, OB equal to B bar like that. This is 1/6 box A bar, B bar, C bar. Or you can write here 1/6 box OA, OB, OC. This is another like this. This is tetrahedron. Next, volume of triangular prism. Having A bar, B bar, C bar as edges is equal to 1/2 modulus of box A bar, B bar, C bar. These are the formula of volume of tetrahedron. Tetrahedron formula 1/6 and simple rectangular parallelepiped volume B is equal to box ABC, and this is a prism. Prism is also like this, triangular prism. triangular prism like this. Total 3 shapes. Triangular prism. Let it be O A B C. O is a quotient vector like that. O is a quotient vector. O is the origin. Capital A, capital B, capital C are the quotient vectors of the A, B, C, A bar, B bar, C bar. Then the formula of volume is equal to 1 by 2 into box A, B, C. Now let us discuss about level 2 classwork today. Students, level 1 homework, whatever the remaining bits are there in level 1 classwork and theory bits you do. Level 2 classwork I will say, level 3 also I will handle. Level 2 homework you can do. Let us discuss about first question in level 2 classwork. For any 3 vectors, non-zero vectors A, B, C given. Yesterday I said the concept. Modulus of A cross B. Modulus of A cross B dot C is equal to mod A into mod B into mod C. Then holds. This is holds. So this formula satisfies if. IF means if and only if. I said that this can taken as the unit vector concept. Like C bar is perpendicular to both A bar and B bar. That is A cross B is perpendicular to both A and B. Then C bar is parallel to A cross B. Then angle between C bar and A cross B is always 0. So you can see here modulus of A cross B into modulus of C into cos of A cross B comma C using the dot product. Here if you write the diagram like this, this is O, this is A, this is B. OAB, this is A bar, quotient vector of A, this is B bar, quotient vector of B. This is the value of A cross B. The vector A cross B is perpendicular to both A bar and B bar in the direction of A bar and B bar. So this is nothing but angles, this is nothing but C. If we take the concept of IJK unit vector concept. So whenever A cross B is equal to C or A cross B is parallel, the angle between A cross B comma C is 0 degrees. That is equal to, you can write here, this one modulus A into modulus B into sin 90 into modulus C into cos 0 is equal to 1. So whenever A and B are perpendicular, whenever C is perpendicular to both A and B, you can say here A bar mod A bar into mod B bar into sin 90 value 1. This is also C. So he given the value A cross. So he given the value. So when we get the value, whenever angle between AB is 90, angle between BC is 90, and angle between CA is 90. Therefore, we can say like this: A perpendicular to B, B perpendicular to C, C perpendicular to A. I said yesterday the concept that whenever he given the vector like this, A, B, C are said to be mutually perpendicular vectors. Then A dot B equal to 0, comma B dot C equal to 0, comma C dot A equal to 0. Therefore, according to option, you add all these things. A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to 0. Let us discuss about second question. A comma B, if whenever bracket is there and between the brackets comma indicates that angle between the vectors. A bar comma B bar is equal to pi by 6 and C bar perpendicular to both A bar comma B bar. That implies you can say that C bar parallel to A cross B. Therefore, we can say that A bar cross B bar comma C is equal to 0 degrees. Perpendicular to both. And the data he given as modulus A is equal to 3 and modulus B is equal to 4, comma modulus C is equal to 6. Box ABC. Then find, we should calculate the value of modulus of box ABC. Modulus of box ABC. Now we can write that modulus of box ABC as given as between angle between A and B. Then we can write here A bar cross B bar dot C bar. Okay. A bar cross B bar dot C bar. That is equal to, we can write here modulus of A bar cross B bar dot C into cos of A cross B comma C. Cos of A cross B comma C. The A cross B comma C angle indicated here 0 degrees. Now you can write here mod A into mod B into sine of A comma B into mod C into cos 0 value 1. Mod A he given as 3. Mod B given as 4 and mod C is 6. Sine angle between A bar and B bar given pi by 6. What is the value of sine 30? It is 1 by 2. So 2 will be getting cancelled 2 times. 3 2s are 6, 6 6 are 36. 36 is the answer of second question. Let us discuss about third question. A, B, C are non-zero and non-null vectors. Non-zero, non-null vectors, and R bar is any vector in the space. R bar is any vector in the space. Then box BCR into A bar. Third one, box BCR into A bar plus box CAR into B bar plus box ABC into R bar, box ABR into C bar, box ABCR into A bar plus box CR into B bar plus box ABR into C bar. Then what is the value? Let us do one thing according to general position of vector. R bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Here according to ABC you can say that R bar equal to xa bar plus yb bar plus zc bar. Let R bar is equal to xa bar plus yb bar plus zc bar. Now let us discuss about BCA. So box BCR I am writing now. Now I am writing. Now box BCR into A. What is the value of box BCR? Now we can say that B cross C into R bar. B cross C into R bar into A bar we can write. Into A bar. So what is the value? First of all we can write B cross C into this one. What is meant by R? XA bar plus YB bar plus ZC bar. Put a set bracket and into A bar we can write here. We can try to understand that BCA. So you can write here box BCA. Box BCA into X into A bar. Okay. Because B cross B, 2 B's are 0 and 2 C's are 0. No need to write. I think similarly we can write. Similarly box CAR into B bar we can write that box ABC into YB. Box ABC answer. Here box BCA you can write box ABC. Box ABC into A bar. And we can write here box ABC into X into A bar. Box ABC into X into A bar. Here box ABC into Y into B bar. Similarly, once again we can write here box ABR. Box ABR into C bar we can write here box ABC into Z into C bar. Therefore, LHS, this one, whatever the considered value, 1, you write here 1. 1 becomes, I am writing here. 1 becomes, we can take ABC common in everything. ABC common, you take and put set bracket and write like this. This is XA bar plus YB bar plus ZC bar. So we got that this is box ABC into this is R bar. Box ABC into R bar. Here it is third option. Next, fourth question. He given that A value, B value, C value are coplanar. Fourth question, A bar is equal to 2i minus j plus k. A bar is equal to 2i minus j plus k. B bar is equal to I plus 2j. B bar is equal to I plus 2j minus 3k, comma C bar is equal to 3i plus mu j plus 5k. 3i plus mu j plus 5k are coplanar. Then what? Mu is the root of equation. Are coplanar. Whenever the three vectors are coplanar, we can say that the determinant of the vectors is 0. Then you can write here box ABC equal to 0. Box ABC means determinant of the vectors. Now we can write here this is 2, minus 1, 1, and this is 1, 2, minus 3, and 3 mu 5. This is 3 mu and 5 equal to 0. The vectors once again say 2, minus 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 3 mu 5 equal to 0. That implies calculating the determinant we get it 2 here, 2 into 10 plus 3 mu. 2 into 10 plus 3 mu plus 1 into 5 plus 9 becomes 14. 5 plus 9 plus 1 into mu minus 6 plus 1 into mu minus 6 equal to 0. We can write here 2 tens are 20, 20 plus 6 mu plus 14 plus mu minus 6 equal to 0. 6 20 and 14, 34. 34 minus 6, 28. 28 plus 7 mu equal to 0. So mu is equal to minus 4. 6 mu, 7 mu. 20 plus 14, 34 minus 6. So 28 plus 7 mu. Mu is equal to minus 4 we got. He is asking mu is the root of equation. Verifying option. Mu is the root of equation. Let us verify first option. Verify first option. So option 1 he given as x square plus 3x equal to 4. Substitute the mu value minus 4 here. It becomes 16. 16 minus 12. That's all equal to 4. No option will be satisfied other than first option. That is why we verified that one as first option. Next one. Second option. Sorry. Fifth question. Fifth question. If the vectors ai plus j plus k, comma I plus bj plus 6k, a plus ai plus j plus k. Fifth question. If the vectors a bar, let you write a bar equal to ai plus j plus k. A bar is equal to ai plus j plus k. A bar is equal to ai plus j plus k. Next let this is b bar. B bar is equal to I plus bj plus k. I plus bj plus k. And C bar is equal to I plus j plus ck. I plus j plus ck. A, B, C are not equal to 1. Okay, not equal to 1. Are coplanar. So here the vector A bar, B bar, C bar are coplanar. Then you should calculate. Then you should calculate the value. You should calculate the value 1 by 1 minus A plus 1 by 1 minus B plus 1 by 1 minus C. In Deepthi, Yaschan, Singage, Arihant, and wherever you search, you can find this question. This is a so lengthy question, so you should use shortcut. So the shortcut is, I am saying that put A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 2. B is equal to minus 1. Better. 2 will not get. C is equal to 3. If we put this sum and another sum will be there in the 3D, DCs, DRs also, the sums may be there. This is a so lengthy question. Using determinants, you can say, you can use hint and you can see Deepthi, or you can use Singh's book or Arihant book or anything. It is so lengthy question. You put here these values will be coplanar and the value will be getting using shortcut. A equal to 0, you put 0 is equal to minus 1, 0 minus 1 and this is 1. A value 0. Instead of this one you can write directly B. The value this is 1 and B value minus 1 and this is 1. C value 1, 1, 3. Now let us calculate that. First 0 no need to write, next to 1. 1 into 3 minus 1 becomes 2 plus 1 into here minus 1 into 3 minus 1 2, next plus 1 into 1 minus 1, 1 into 1 plus 1 2. 0 should be there. A is equal to 0. Let us discuss about the value should be equal to 0. A is equal to 0, B is equal to minus 1. See, whenever you take this one, AI plus J plus K, I plus BJ plus K and I plus J plus CK. It's okay. A, B, C are not equal to 1, that is why I taken separate number. This is 1, only 1 and 1. This is 1 minus 1 and this is 1, 1, 1, 3. Okay. Now let us do the calculation. 1 into this is minus 3 minus 1. First 0 no need to write it. Next minus 1, 3 minus 1 equal to 2 plus 1. Next plus 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So minus 2 plus 2, we got 0. So our estimation is right. The vectors are coplanar. Now 1 by 1 minus A, I am writing about 1 by 1 minus A means 1 by 1 minus 0. 1 by 1 minus B. So here 1 by 1 minus of minus plus 1 plus 1 by 1 minus 3. So this is 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2, 0. Answer 1 now. Here option is fourth option, fifth question. It is right. Next let us discuss about sixth question. Sixth question ABC. Maybe this is in properties of triangle chapter. This is in matrices determinants also. We use the same values. ABC are non-coplanar vectors. Lambda is a real number. Box lambda into A bar plus B bar. Next lambda square B bar. Next lambda C bar. Lambda square B bar, lambda C bar is equal to box A bar, B bar plus C bar, B bar. So first one we should try to understand as lambda. This is a vector, this is another vector, this is another vector. So using here lambda A, so lambda, A plus B, there is no C. That is why if you write lambda, here it is 0. Here only B is there, only B means there is no A, 0 you write. Here lambda square, there is no C, 0 you write. Next to 0, 0 lambda. This value, here you can write 1, ABC taken common. Here also we should write box ABC. And here also we should write by taking common box ABC. Here, box ABC. Next here you write 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 1 and 0, 1, 0. VEC is there. That is why only one A, 1. There is no B, there is no C. For first one separate you should write, for second one separate you should write, for third one separate you should write. Box ABC, according to question, maybe they are not coplanar, the data will be given. Whenever it is not coplanar, they are not equal to 0. So forget about this one, otherwise you get cancelled. You can get it cancelled. And lambda into multiply here lambda into lambda cube minus lambda into 0, no need here. That is equal to find the determinant 1 into 0 minus 1, that's all. So lambda power 4 is equal to minus 1 we got. So lambda square is equal to I square. Lambda power 4 is equal to I square. It is absolutely wrong. Wrong means no real root. I square means here imaginary roots. So here you can write no real root for lambda. According to option, no value of lambda here. No real root of lambda. Let us discuss about seventh question. The volume of parallelepiped, whatever the formula we discussed previously, depends upon that formula we should calculate this sum. The volume of parallelepiped having coterminous edges Li minus 5k. Data I am writing. Let us the names of coterminous edges. You put A bar. A bar is equal to Li bar minus 5k bar. B bar is equal to I minus j plus mk. I minus j plus mk. Next C bar is equal to 3i minus 5j. 3i minus 5j. Coterminous, the volume V he given as 8 and the relation between L and M. L and M are related to according to option. So volume of parallelepiped V is equal to, simply we said the formula box ABC. So here you can write L0 minus 5 and here 1 minus 1 M and here 3 minus 5 0 is equal to 8 you write. L into 0 minus 5, 0 plus 5, L into 5M. Minus 0 no need to write. Minus 5 into minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3 becomes minus 2 is equal to 8. So here you can write 5LM plus 10 minus 8 plus 2 equal to 0. That's all. 7th question completed. 5LM plus 2 equal to 0 is the result. 4th option. Let A bar be unit vector. 8th question, given data A bar be the unit vector, so mod A is equal to 1 you can take, and B bar is equal to 2A plus J minus K. B bar is equal to 2I plus J minus K, and C bar is equal to I plus 3K. C bar is equal to I plus 3K. You should find the maximum value of box ABC. Find maximum value of box ABC. A bar unit vector is given B cross C. Let us discuss about mod B cross C. It is better. Maximum value of ABC. So modulus of A cross. Now we shall write box ABC. Box ABC is equal to modulus of A into modulus of B cross C into cos of A comma B comma C line. Whenever mod we take directly, we can take mod. So no need depends upon angle. Mod A is equal to 1 mod B cross C, right? So find maximum value should calculate. If we write this one also A comma B cross C and mod A into this one you can write as mod B into mod C into sin of B comma C into cos beta I am writing, we can write here sin alpha. The value of mod A is equal to 1 and B cross C. Let us discuss about B cross C. Later we can discuss about next value. B cross C. Let us continue B cross C value. Using cross product IJK, B cross C I am writing here. B cross C is equal to IJK 2 1 minus 1 and 103 is equal to I into 3, that's all, minus J into 6 minus 1, here 6 plus 1 7 plus K into 0 minus 1 minus 1. Now let us discuss about modulus of B cross C. It becomes 9 plus 49 plus 1. 9 plus 1 plus 49, here it is 59. Now we can write here 1 I am writing. From 1 we can say that modulus A means 1 into this is root 59 into, let us write this one as cos alpha. We know that here we can write the value. We know that maximum value of cos alpha is equal to 1. For cos or sine, the maximum value is 1 and minimum value is minus 1. That is equal to max value of box ABC. Max value of box ABC is equal to root 59. That's all. Root 59 into 1 is root 59. Now, 8th question completed. 9th one. X into A cross B plus Y into B cross C plus Z into C cross A is equal to R bar. That is the given vector. So R bar vector is given as related with A cross B, B cross C and C cross A. 9th one. R bar is equal to X into A bar cross B bar plus Y into B bar cross C bar plus Z into C bar cross A bar. And box ABC value is equal to 1 by 8 he given. Box ABC value 1 by 8. Find, we should calculate the value, find X plus Y plus Z. So using R bar is equal to X into A cross B plus Y into B cross C plus Z into A cross B given. Box ABC given. Let us multiply with A. We may get box. Yeah. We'll write here. Now I am writing here R bar dot A bar. Whenever you are writing R bar dot A bar, X into, we can write here X into A cross B plus Y into B cross C plus Z into C cross A. Z into C cross A into A bar and A. Put a set bracket here and a dot A. You can understand that A cross B into A, whenever two letters are existing regarding cross product, it becomes 0. So A cross B into A, it is 0. Here BCA you can write. So Y box ABC. BCA you can write as box ABC. So R bar dot A bar is equal to Y dot box ABC we got. R bar dot A bar. So A first letter, Y we got. Similarly I am writing. Similarly we may get here R bar dot B bar. So B bar. So second letter, this is Z here, next letter. Z into box ABC. Okay, Y into YA you can write. Y, okay, written. Next to R bar dot C bar. C bar, third letter, next letter X here. So X into A bar, B bar, C bar. So that implies we can write here R bar dot A bar plus R bar dot B bar plus R bar dot C bar is equal to, if we take in common box ABC. Box ABC we take in common, you can write here X plus Y plus Z. X plus Y plus Z. R bar dot A bar, now we multiplied R bar dot A bar plus R bar dot B bar plus R bar dot C bar is equal to, here box ABC given as 1 by 8. So let us discuss about options. Regarding options, X plus Y plus Z is asking. So we'll write here 1 by 8. 1 by 8. Box ABC value 1 by 8. 1 by 8 into X plus Y plus Z. Therefore you take cross multiplication, we may get the value X plus Y plus Z is equal to 8 into, if R bar into A bar plus B bar plus C bar. 8, yes, third option is there. According to option we got third one. Let us discuss about 10th question. 10th question, students, you should remember, already yesterday I said that the formula of box ABC whole square. A bar dot A bar, A bar dot B bar, A bar dot C bar, B bar dot A bar, B bar dot B bar, B bar dot C bar, C bar dot A bar, C bar dot B bar and C bar dot C bar. This is C bar dot B bar, C bar dot C bar. Yesterday I said the notation of this determinant is box ABC whole square. is equal to 0 he given, is equal to 0. That implies box ABC whole square value also equal to 0. That implies whenever box ABC whole square equal to 0 he given, you can write box ABC equal to 0. Whenever box ABC equal to 0, from 1 we conclude that A, B, C are coplanar vectors. Whenever box ABC equal to 0, A bar, B bar, C bar are coplanar vectors. A, B, C are coplanar vectors. Now, after completion of this one, we should discuss about A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. So, we should discuss about A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. You should calculate box. Yesterday, we calculated this one as 2 into box ABC. So, 2 into 0 you can write. Therefore, here A bar plus B bar, B bar plus C bar, C bar plus A bar also coplanar, because box ABC equal to 0. If you are having any doubt here, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, you can write, you can take common ABC and here you can write 1, 1, 0, here 0, 1, 1 and here 1, 0, 1. By calculating the determinant, you will be getting the value of the determinant is 2. Then you can say that 2 box ABC. Whenever box ABC equal to 0, the vectors are coplanar. Next question, 11th question. For any non-zero vectors, for any three non-zero vectors ABC, plenty of times we discussed in concept and second sum also. Today first question we discussed it. And in concept also we discussed that whenever the vector A bar cross B bar dot C bar is equal to mod A into mod B into mod C, then A bar, B bar, C bar, A bar, B bar, C bar are said to be mutually orthogonal. Then directly you can write now, then A bar comma B bar comma C bar are mutually orthogonal or perpendicular vectors. Here you can write here mutually orthogonal vectors. Whenever the vectors are mutually orthogonal, then A dot B equal to 0 and B dot C equal to 0 and C dot A equal to 0. If you add all these things, you can get A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A equal to 0. So here it is, second option, third option. Next, 12th question. Let us discuss about 12th question. A, B, C, D are mutually perpendicular unit vectors. A, B, C, D are mutually perpendicular unit vectors and D bar is a unit vector equally inclined to each other. A bar, B bar, C bar at angle 60. Okay. A bar, B bar, C bar and D bar. A, B, C are mutually perpendicular unit vector given. That is simply using like this, A dot B equal to 0, B dot C equal to 0 and C dot A is equal to 0. Mutually perpendicular vectors A, B, C and D bar is unit vector equally inclined to each other A, B, C. So he given that angle between D and A is 60, angle between D and B is 60 and angle between D and C is also 60. So DA equal to 60, DB equal to 60, DC equal to 60. Then you should calculate A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar whole square. Given condition I am writing here. 12th question. Given condition. Given condition is A bar perpendicular to B bar, B bar perpendicular to C bar, C bar perpendicular to B bar. That implies A bar dot B bar equal to 0, comma B bar dot C bar equal to 0, comma C bar dot A bar equal to 0. Also, this is the perpendicular condition. Also, he given the vector, comma D bar is a unit vector, mod D is equal to 1 we put. He given the angle between DA equal to 60, angle between DB equal to 60 and angle between DC also 60 degrees he given the value. Next, about condition of unity vector. ABC are mutual, yes. ABC also unity vectors he given. ABC are mutually unity vectors. Also the data he given, mod A is equal to 1, mod B is equal to 1 and mod C is equal to 1. Now let us discuss about consider. I am writing. Now consider the value A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar whole square. A bar plus B bar plus C bar. A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar whole square over modulus. So what is the value of 2AD, 2BD, 2D, 2CD, 2AB, mod A square? The formula of A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar whole square is A square plus B square plus C square plus D square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA, 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA plus 2DA plus 2DB plus 2DC. Okay. 2DC. A bar, this is 1 plus 1 plus 1. ABC, these are full 0, perpendicular. DJ, you should write here. That is equal to mod A square. This is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 into, you can write mod D into mod A into cos 60 degrees. Here also mod D into mod B into cos 60 degrees. Mod D into mod B into cos 60 degrees. Here also you can write mod D into mod C into cos 60 degrees. So that is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, total 4. 4 plus 2 into, these are unit vectors. Cos 60 plus cos 60 plus cos 60, total 3 values are there, 2 to get cancelled. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So 7 is the answer here, fourth option. Next, let us discuss about 13th question. 13th question, R bar is equal to I plus J plus K. I plus J plus K. I plus J minus K given. R bar is equal to I plus J minus K plus S into 3I minus J. And R bar is equal to 4I. 4I minus K plus T into 2I plus 3K. 2I plus 3K. So this is of the form R bar is equal to A bar plus SP bar. And this is of the form C bar plus TD bar. Let us discuss about the formula box A minus C BD. Whether the value box A minus BD is 0, the two lines are said to be intersect. Whether the points DRs are in the same proportion, they are said to be parallel. Whether the DR's dot product is 0, they are said to be perpendicular. Whether the box ABC, box A minus CBD not equal to 0, they are said to be skew lines. Understood now? Whether if dot product of S and D, this one DR's is 0, it is perpendicular. If the cross product is 0 or proportionate value, if they are in proportion, they are said to be parallel. And if box A minus CBD is equal to 0, they are said to be intersect. And if box A minus CBD is not equal to 0, they are said to be skew lines. Now let us discuss about here. It is indicating 6 minus 3, not possible. This is not perpendicular. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3, not parallel. So not perpendicular, not parallel. Now let us discuss about whether the lines are intersecting lines or the lines are skew lines. If you calculate box A minus BD, if the value is 0, they are said to be intersect. 1 minus 4, here minus 3, 1 plus 1, here 2, minus 1, no. Here only J is there. So simply 1 you write. Minus K plus K, here 0. BD you write. 3, minus 0, 2, 0, 3. Let us calculate minus 3 into minus 3. Minus 1 into 9. Okay, this is 9 minus 9. You got 0. Therefore, lines are intersecting lines. Lines are said to be intersecting. If the determinant value is not 0, they are skew lines. Lines are said to be intersecting lines. So let us discuss about 14th sum. Total in the level 2, now we have completed 13 questions, 14, 15, 16, 17, 4 sums are there. So let us discuss about 14th question. That is the concept of skew lines. The concept of skew lines, we said that shortest distance between skew lines formula box A minus C BD by modulus of B cross D. This is the important in 3D lines topic and cross product topic and geometry topic also. R bar is equal to 3i plus 5j. R bar is equal to 3i plus 5j. 3i plus 5j plus 7k. Put a bracket here. Plus lambda into I plus 2j. I plus 2j plus k. This is the first line. Next second line. R bar is equal to minus I minus j plus k plus mu into 7i minus 6j plus k equal to 0. He did not give. Second question. Now he given the value is the lines are skew lines he is discussing. Therefore shortest distance SD, shortest distance between skew lines is equal to formula box A minus BD, A minus C BD by modulus of B cross D. You know that this is A and this is B, this is C and this is D. So you can see here modulus of, determinant of A minus C. Here 3 minus of minus 1, 4. This is 5 minus of minus 1, 6. And this is 7 minus 1, 6. Here 4, 6, 6 we had written. Here this is B. So 1 to 1. Here you can write here 7 minus 6, 1. This is 1 properly. Whole by this is the determinant. And here IJK concept, the cross product. Same value should write 1 to 1 and 7 minus 6, 1. Now calculating the determinant value 4 into 2 plus 6. 4 into 8 we can write. 4 into 8 minus 6 into 1 minus 7. 1 minus 7 is minus 6. Next one plus 6. Plus 6 into minus 6 minus 14. Minus 6 minus 14 becomes minus 20. Whole by I into the concept 2 plus 1. Same number will be getting 8 minus j into minus 6 and plus k into minus 20. Minus 6 minus 14 over modulus we can take here. This is also modulus. We can write here 4 8 are 32 plus 6 6 are 36 minus this is 120. Whole by root of this one magnitude 64 plus 36 plus 400. The value 32 and 36, 68. So 120 minus 68 now you should write. 120 minus 68. 10 minus 82, this is 52. 52 whole by 64 plus 36, 100. 100 plus 400, 500. 500 over root you can write here 5 root 10 because 100, 500 10 root 5 because 100 root 5. If we get cancelled here 2 5s are and 2 26 are. The shortest distance between two skew lines is 26 by 5 root 5. According to options here 26 by 5 root 5 is second option. Next, let us discuss about 15th question. So many sums we discussed regarding shortest distance between two skew lines. This is the important question in mains exam and compulsory question in MCET exam. Shortest distance between two skew lines, you should not forget the formula. Next, 15th question. If PQR reciprocal system, PQR reciprocal system of vector trade ABC, PQR are reciprocal. PQR are reciprocal system of A bar, B bar, C bar. Then box ABC into PQR. Then you should calculate box ABC into PQR. The reciprocal system is nothing but A dash, B dash, C dash. P is equal to B cross A by box ABC, Q is equal to C cross A by box ABC, R is equal to A cross B by box ABC. We can write here as box ABC into B cross C by box ABC. B cross C by box ABC. Here this is C cross A by box ABC. C cross A by box ABC. And here you can write A cross B by box ABC. A cross B by box ABC. Overall box. You can write here box ABC into whole by, this is 1, 2, 3, box ABC whole cube. Box ABC whole cube into, plenty of times I said that this is an important question. Whenever box B cross C cross A cross B, we will get the value box ABC whole square. So box ABC whole cube by box ABC whole cube. The value is 1. Here you can write box ABC whole cube. Box ABC whole cube by box ABC whole cube is equal to 1. This is important in MSET. This is only MSET concept. Next, 16th question. C1, let C1 equal to 1 comma 0 comma 0. C1 equal to 1 comma 0 comma 0. C2 is equal to 1 comma 1 comma 0. C3 is equal to 1 comma 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1 comma 1. Then reciprocal of C1. Reciprocal of C1 meaning itself is C2 cross C3 by box C1, C2, C3. Reciprocal of C1 equal to C2 cross C3 by box C1, C2, C3. Now you can write here, this is I is AK and C2, C3, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 1 by 1, 0, 0. This is box 1, 1, 0 and this is 1, 1, 1. Calculate now I into 1, that is equal to I into 1 minus j into 1. I into 1 minus j into 1 plus k into 0. No need to write. By 1 into 1, simply it is 1. So the value we got here I minus j, right? I minus j is here, second option. Now let us discuss about 17th question. Is last question of cross product of scalar triple product of vectors level 2. 17th question. A, B, C and PQR are two sets of three non-coplanar vectors such that A bar dot P bar plus B bar dot Q bar plus C bar dot R bar equal to 3. A bar dot P bar, B bar dot plus B bar dot Q bar plus C bar dot R bar equal to 3. Then P is equal to dash, Q is equal to dash, R is equal to dash, he is asking. So verify option. Verify fourth option. Because we know the value, reciprocal value. A bar dot, this is the last question. A bar dot P value reciprocal system B cross C by box ABC. And here you can write B bar dot reciprocal system C cross A by box ABC. And you can write here C bar dot reciprocal system. This is A bar cross B bar by box ABC. So you can write here total overall box ABC by box ABC. For everything I am writing box ABC by box ABC. This one also you can write to understand as box ABC by box ABC. And here also you can write as box ABC by box ABC. So box ABC, this and this and this and this and get cancelled, 1 plus 1 plus 1, it becomes 3. So because using the reciprocal system, we have done like this here. Until now we discussed, we have completed module 2 classwork, total 17 sums. Let us discuss about module 3 in next class. Students, now we are in the topic of scalar triple product of vectors. Until previous class, in previous class we have discussed the level 2 and now we are going to be discuss level 3. Level 3. First question, A bar is equal to minus I plus j plus k. A bar is equal to minus I plus j plus k. This is the first vector. And B bar is equal to 2i plus k. This is second vector. Then the vector C bar satisfying the conditions. First one, coplanar with A and B. C bar is conditions he given as C bar is coplanar with A bar comma B bar. Coplanar with A bar B bar. Second one, C bar perpendicular to B bar. And the third one, C bar dot A bar is equal to 7. So verifying options is better options, better way. Option 1, minus 3 by 2 into I, minus 3 by 2 into I, plus 5 by 2 into J, plus 3K. So verify the conditions. Coplanar meaning determinant should be equal to 0. It's okay, let us discuss about perpendicular condition, C dot B. This is minus 3 plus 3, 0, better. And C dot A, this is 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2, 3 plus 5, 8 by 2, 4 plus 3, 7, over. Now let us discuss about condition of coplanarity and writing. Condition of coplanarity. Here two options, two cases verified. Two cases verified about the first option. Condition of coplanarity is box ABC is equal to 0. So let us write here minus 1, 1, 1. This is 2, 0, 1. This is minus 3, 5, 6. Taking 2 common. Taking 1 by 2 common here. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into minus 1 into minus 5. Minus 1 into 12 plus 3. This is 15. 12 plus 3, 15. Next one, plus 1 into 10. Let us discuss the value here. 5 minus 15 plus 10. So equal to 0. Here you can write verified first option. Because already we discussed verified option 1. We discussed about A dot B, C perpendicular to B and C dot A equal to 7. 3 conditions verified only for option 1. If you are having any doubt, you can discuss with, you can verify with another options also. Now, second question. A tetrahedron volume V is equal to 5 has 3 of its vertices. Volume V given as 5. Given volume of tetrahedron. Volume of tetrahedron V is equal to 5 he given. 3 vertices he given A, B, C. The fourth vertex D lie on y-axis. 3 vertices given. Total 4 vertices are there about the tetrahedron. Let A, B, C D like this. A, B, C, D. Fourth vertex D lies on y-axis. And A, let us write A is equal to 2 comma 1 comma minus 1, and B is equal to 3 comma 0 comma 1, and C is equal to 2 comma minus 1 comma 3. D he did not give, but according to y options he give, you should write 0 comma y comma 0. So box volume of tetrahedron formula 1 by 6 box AB. AB, AC, AD we can write whenever he given 3 vectors. 1 by 6 box B, AB, AC, AD. Modulus also. The volume he given as 5. That implies we can write here box AB means OB minus OA. 3 minus 2 it is 1. 0 minus 1 this is minus 1. 1 plus 1 it is 2. AB. Next AC 2 minus 2 this is 0, and minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. 3 plus 1 is 4, and AD this one minus this is minus 2, and you write here y minus 1 and this is 1 is equal to, now we can write here plus or minus 30 because modulus is there. That implies we can calculate the value of determinant. Here you write minus 2 minus 4 into y minus 1 plus 1 into 0 minus 8, 0 plus 8. Next plus 2 into 0 minus 4 is equal to plus or minus 30. That implies 1 into this one minus 2 minus 4y plus 4, minus 2 minus 4y plus 4 plus 8 minus 8 is equal to 30. First I am writing, later we will discuss about minus 30. Here 8 and 8 will be getting cancelled. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 30 we can write. 2 minus 30 equal to 4y. 4y is equal to minus 28 and y is equal to minus 7. Next we take the same value, 2 minus 4y is equal to minus 30. It becomes 32 equal to 4y, then y equal to 8. The value y is equal to 8 we can write. Therefore, point, whatever the point D, you should calculate. That one you should write here as 0 comma minus 7 comma 0 and 0 comma 8 comma 0. Maybe the y-axis, y may be negative or positive. The point lie on the negative x-axis or positive. Negative y-axis or positive y-axis. According to answer, this is third option. Third question. Completed 2 questions. Next let us discuss about third question. Third question, A, B, C are unit vectors. A bar, B bar, C bar. A, B, C are unit vectors. Mod A is equal to 1, mod B is equal to 1, and mod C is equal to 1. Unit vector such that A dot B is A comma B is equal to alpha, given whenever bracket is there and in the bracket between comma exists, it indicates the angle between two vectors. A bar comma B bar, given the angle alpha, and same alpha he given as C bar comma A bar cross B bar is equal to also alpha. Then find box ABC. Find box ABC. So A comma B alpha given, C comma A this one given. So now according to given data we can write here box ABC, take modulus. Modulus of box ABC can be written as A bar cross B bar dot C bar. Anyhow you can take A bar cross B bar mod C is equal to mod A into mod B into sin alpha into cos of A bar cross B bar comma C, this one cos alpha you can write. Mod A unit vector, mod B unit vector, mod C also you should write here. Put bracket here mod C. Then you can write 1 into 1 into 1 whole by 2 into 2 sin alpha cos alpha I am writing. 2 sin alpha cos alpha. So you can write here 1 by 2 into sin 2 alpha. That's all. Here option 1. Fourth one. Alpha bar is equal to AI plus Bj plus Ck. Alpha bar is equal to AI bar plus Bj bar plus Ck bar. This is alpha. Next beta bar. Alpha given and beta given as Bi plus Cj plus Ak. Bi plus Cj plus Ak. And gamma also given. Gamma given as Ci plus Aj plus Bk are three coplanar vectors. Coplanar vectors. Three coplanar vectors. Whenever he given the condition coplanar vectors, then we can understand that the value of box ABC is 0. Here you can write box alpha, beta, gamma. Box alpha bar, beta bar, gamma bar equal to 0. Coplanar vectors are there. Then the value alpha, beta, gamma is 0. And R bar is equal to I plus J plus K given. Then R bar perpendicular to what? Given. The given value R bar is equal to I bar plus J bar plus K bar. Then R bar is perpendicular to dash. What is the value? R bar is perpendicular to which one? So here alpha, beta, gamma, box alpha, beta, gamma is equal to 0. Now using this box alpha, beta, gamma is equal to 0. Now we can say here determinant of box ABC and BCA and CAB. Box ABC, BC and CAB equal to 0. We have done this sum in matrices in example, let us just example 2 I think. You can get the value 3ABC. I know the determinant value 3ABC minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube equal to 0 you can write. You will get like this only. So you can say that here A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. According to 8th class knowledge, A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. If the condition, if IFF also I am writing. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then only the condition A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 0. Now let us discuss about A plus B plus C. 1, 1 minus 2. Let us take 1, 1 minus 2. Let I am writing. Let A is equal to 1. B is equal to 1. C is equal to minus 2. Now we can write alpha is equal to. So alpha is equal to, you can write A value 1 I plus B value 1 J, C value minus 2K. Like that I am writing. Next beta is equal to BI. Here means 1 IA plus CJ minus 2J plus AK. Simple K. Next gamma. Gamma is equal to CI. So minus 2I I am writing. Minus 2I plus AJ J plus BK K. Now we should verify the vector R bar is equal to AI plus I plus J plus K, which is perpendicular to this or this or this. So let us verify the R bar is perpendicular to whether alpha or beta or gamma or both or 3. Now we should discuss R bar dot alpha bar. R bar dot alpha bar, you multiply this one, 1 plus 1 minus 2, it becomes 0. 1 plus 1 minus 2 equal to 0. Now R bar dot beta bar. R bar dot beta bar, 1 minus 2 plus 1, it is also 0. 1 minus 2 plus 1, it is also 0. Now R bar dot gamma bar, minus 2 plus 1 plus 1. This is also 0. Minus 2 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, you can say that R bar perpendicular to alpha bar and R bar perpendicular to beta bar and R bar perpendicular to gamma. Therefore, R bar is perpendicular to all the three vectors alpha, beta, gamma. Here you can discuss that You can conclude that the option is 4. Now, 4 questions completed. Let us discuss about 5th one. Fifth question. Read the data. The ratio between volume of tetrahedron and volume of tetrahedron formed by join the centroid of faces. Volume of centroid. Tetrahedron between volume of tetrahedron, volume of centroid. So, by taking origin, centroid of tetrahedron generally A by 4, B by 4, C by 4 like that. So 1 by 64 should be there. 64 number is not there. So ratio between volume of tetrahedron and volume of tetrahedron formed by centroids. So first one should be origin. We should consider according to option. A by 4, B by 4, C by 4 is the centroid formula. But here some mistake he given. According to triangle you should ask. If he asks according to triangle it is correct. Okay. Let us write V1 is equal to, simply I am writing 1 by 6 box ABC. 1 by 6 box ABC. Original I am writing. Original. V2 is equal to 1 by 6 into, this is A by 3, B by 3, C by 3. A by 3, B by 3, C by 3. This is centroid. With centroid. So V1 by V2 I am writing. 1 by 6. You can write here 1 by 6 box ABC whole by 1 by 6 into 1 by 3 cube. 1 by 3 cube into box ABC. Box ABC get cancelled. 1 by 6 out. 1 by 6 also get cancelled. 27 by 1 also. Maybe he should ask. Depends upon triangle. Because the centroid tetrahedron formula 1 by 4, but option is not there. Otherwise, origin should be given. Some data is missing in this question. Sixth one. 4a plus 5b plus 9c is equal to 0. 4a plus 5b plus 9c. 4a plus 5b plus 9c bar equal to 0. Given vector, given relation, 4a bar plus 5b bar plus 9c bar equal to 0 bar. This is a null vector. Then A cross B. Then the data he is asking. Then A cross B. A bar cross B bar. Cross A bar cross B bar. Cross B bar cross C bar. Cross C bar cross A bar. A bar cross B bar, cross B bar cross C bar, cross C bar cross A bar is equal to dash. You should try to understand that given linear combination, given that I am writing, given that linear combination of vectors, linear combination of vectors, A bar, B bar, 0. A bar, B bar, C bar is 0 he given. Linear combination of the vectors A bar, B bar, C bar is 0. Regarding this one, whether it is linearly dependent or independent, he did not discuss. Try to understand that. We said so many times, linear combination of vectors. R bar is equal to XA bar plus YB bar plus Z. C bar equal to 0. Then A bar, then if A, X, Y, Z are non-zeros, they are said to be linearly dependent or coplanar or collinear. Linearly dependent or coplanar. It is better. See here, 4 this is not equal to 0, 5 this is not equal to 0, 9 this is not equal to 0. So the combination he given, here I am writing, here 4, 5, 9 are non-zero scalars. 4, 5, 9 are non-zero scalars. Whenever these are non-zero scalars, you can say that A bar, B bar, C bar. A bar, B bar, C bar are linearly independent. Linearly independent or coplanar. Linearly independent or coplanar. Linearly independent or coplanar. That implies box ABC is equal to 0. If we put box here, this is A cross B, B cross C, C cross A. So whenever they are linearly dependent, then the perpendicularity conditions also linearly dependent. You can say that B cross C, comma C cross A. B cross C is the vector, and right here this is B, this is C. And this is B cross C. And here you can say C is a vector and depends upon C. Another vector is there, then you can say this is the C bar cross A bar. B cross, these are collinear. B cross C and C cross A depends upon C. A is another vector. C cross A is perpendicular to both. Here this is both and this is both. B cross A and C cross A are collinear, you can write. Collinear or parallel, no problem. Whenever two vectors are collinear or parallel, cross product is 0. That implies you can say that A cross B, A bar cross B bar cross simply 0 bar you write. The answer is 0 bar. So it is also null vector. Whether he given this one in the box, directly you can say it is perfectly 0 because box ABC whole square equal to 0 when box ABC is 0. Here collinear concept used according to linear combination of vectors with non-zero scalars. If it is zero scalar, they are said to be collinear or non-collinear, non-coplanar, linearly independent vectors. Now here we used collinear, coplanar and linearly independent vectors. Let us discuss about seventh question. A, B, C are non-coplanar vectors given. Alpha bar is equal to B cross C. Alpha bar is equal to B cross C. Beta bar is equal to C cross A. Gamma bar is equal to A cross B. Then the value of determinant is asking alpha dot A bar. Alpha dot A bar, alpha dot B bar. Alpha dot A bar, alpha dot B bar, alpha dot C bar. Here beta dot A bar, beta dot B bar, beta dot C bar. Here gamma dot A bar, gamma dot B bar, gamma dot C bar is equal to dash. Alpha, you can write here. Alpha is equal to B cross C, beta is equal to C cross A, gamma is equal to A cross B. Determinant of, you can write here instead of alpha B cross C. B cross C dot A. Here alpha dot B, so B and B becomes 0 and C here it becomes 0. Now beta A are there, it becomes 0. You can write beta dot B, so CAB you can write as box ABC. Directly box ABC you can write here also. Next one beta dot C, here it is 0. Next 0, 0 and this is box ABC, overall determinant. You can take ABC common, ABC common, ABC common according to matrices column property. Taking common 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. We know that the determinant of the unit matrix or identity matrix is 1. So answer is box ABC whole cube. Seventh question completed. Let us discuss about eighth question. B bar and C bar are any two non-collinear vectors. While solving the question, you should read the question and try to understand whatever the data given. In this scalar triple product of vectors, the given data is most important, whether it is collinear or coplanar or non-collinear or non-coplanar, everything you should observe carefully. Now, eighth question. B bar, C bar are any two non-collinear unit vectors. So mod B is equal to 1, mod C is equal to 1. Here he said that B bar comma C bar, B bar comma C bar are non-collinear vectors. B bar comma C bar are non-collinear vectors. A bar is any vector, then find. A bar is any vector, then find this one. Find I am writing. You should calculate this one. Find A bar dot B bar into B bar plus A bar dot B bar into B bar plus A bar dot C bar into C bar plus A bar dot B bar cross C bar. B bar cross C bar by B bar cross C bar whole square over modulus into B bar cross C bar. What is the value here? Here is said that two non-collinear vectors and unit vectors also. Let I am writing A bar is equal to. If he said any vector, general notation we can say A bar is equal to A1i plus A2j plus A3k, comma. If he given B, C are non-collinear vector. General notation non-collinear means I, J, K. Generally you can take the shortcut the vectors whenever he given non-collinear, because I is depends upon x-axis, J is depends upon y-axis and K is depends upon z-axis. They are not at all collinear. This is separate axis, this is separate axis, this is separate axis. Then you can say here B is equal to, you can write here B is equal to I and C is equal to K. J. B is equal to I and C is equal to J. Now A bar dot B bar into B bar I will write here this one. That implies I am writing A bar dot B bar gives only A1. Okay. Into B bar means I plus A bar dot C bar. This is A2 into C bar into J plus A box ABC. A dot B cross C. What is the value of B cross C? I cross J. I cross J becomes K. So here you write A3. A3 into modulus of B cross C. This one B cross C. The value of B cross C is equal to I cross J and it is also K by K squared 1. That's also answer. We got A bar. We got the value simply A bar, first option. Now let us discuss about ninth question. Ninth question. If V is the volume of parallelepiped having three coterminous edges, clarity is there, A bar, B bar and C bar, then the volume of parallelepiped having three coterminous edges. So using the data, so original volume box ABC, if V is the volume of original, I am writing, original volume, having box A, original volume V is equal to having a coterminous edges, V is equal to box ABC. So using this one, alpha bar is equal to the data, everything we should write. Alpha bar is equal to A bar dot A bar into A bar plus A bar dot B bar into B bar plus A bar dot C bar into C bar. That is alpha. Alpha bar is a vector. Next this one A bar dot B bar into A bar. This one B bar dot B bar into B bar. This one C bar, B bar dot C bar into C bar. B bar dot C bar into C bar. Next gamma bar. Gamma bar he given as C bar dot A bar into A bar plus C bar dot B bar into B bar plus C bar dot A bar into C bar. So the volume of the rectangular parallelepiped, to find this, to find volume I am writing, V is equal to, use this box A, alpha beta gamma formula here, box alpha beta gamma, that is equal to I am writing. Here don't write simply volume, volume we write, the letter may be changed, volume. To find the volume V is equal to alpha bar, beta bar, gamma bar. So alpha bar, beta bar, gamma bar gives, and for everything, for every letter in alpha, beta, gamma, A bar, B bar, C bar is there. I said so many times that these are quotients or components of A bar, B bar, C bar. Then you take common and you should write like this ABC. And now try to understand this one as a bar dot a bar, this is a square, and this is a bar dot b bar, simply you should write, and this is ac, and here you should write ab, and here you should write b square, and this is b dot c, and this is c dot a, this is c dot b, and this is c square. That is equal to, I said with you in previous class that this indicates ABC whole square, box ABC whole square. This is the formula, this is the notation of box ABC whole square. That implies you write V is equal to VQ, because here you can write box ABC whole cube. So depends upon V, he is asking the volume of the, using this vectors is equal to V cube. V cube is the answer. Next, let us discuss about 10th question. 9th question completed. 10th question, the unit vector which is orthogonal to, the unit vector which is orthogonal to the vector 3i plus 2j plus 6k, 3i plus 2j plus 6k, and it is coplanar with the vectors. 10th one, the unit vector which is orthogonal to, let the vector, given vector A you take, let A bar is equal to 3i bar plus 2j plus 6k. Let the unit vector which is orthogonal to the vector 3i plus 2j plus 6k and coplanar. You write here, this is B. B is equal to 2i plus j plus k, and C is equal to I minus j plus k. Condition I am writing. We should calculate about another vector. Let the another vector is D. Condition A bar dot D bar equal to 0, and box BCD is equal to 0. In sometimes verification of option is also not possible. Here let us verify the option using the perpendicular condition. First option, let us, it is D, 2i minus 6j plus k, 3 to the 6 minus 12 plus 6, 0. Second option, 3 to the 6 minus 6, 0. Third option, 3 to the 6 minus 6, 0. Fourth option, 3 for the 12, 6 minus 18, 0. So using orthogonality condition, no option is, we cannot say properly. So using condition of coplanarity only we should say. Option 1 I am writing. Option 1. Option 1 given as 2i minus 6j plus k. 2i minus 6j plus k by root 41. Using BCD equal to 0 I am saying. This is not possible. BCD, condition of coplanarity, 2, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1. This one you write. 2 minus 6, 1. 1 by 41 we can write. Common. Taken common. Now, while calculating derivative, determinant, 1 by root 41. 2 into minus 1 plus 6, 5. Minus 1 into 1 minus 2, minus 1. Plus 1 into minus 6 plus 2, minus 4. 10 plus 1, this is not at all possible, not equal to 0. First option is not correct. Let us discuss about second option. Second option, using the coplanarity condition, 2i minus 3j by root 30. 2i minus 3j by root 30. Using the same data, I am writing 1 by root 13 into determinants of 2, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, and this is 1 minus 3, 0. That is equal to 1 by root 13 here. 1 by root 13 into 2 into minus 0, this is 3, minus 1 into 0 minus 1 minus 1, plus 1 into minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. This is 6 plus 1 minus 2, 7 minus 2. This is also not possible, not equal to 0. So second option also not satisfies. Now third option I am saying. Third option. Third option value 3j minus k. 3j minus k by root 10. Using the condition of coplanarity I am writing this one as 2, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1 and this is 3j. So it is 3j. Whenever it is 3j you should write 0 here. 0, 3 and minus 1. 0, 3 minus 1. That is equal to here 2 into 1 minus 3 minus 2. 2 into 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 3 minus 4 plus 1 plus 3. Yes, this is 0. So option 3 is the answer. No need to confuse about fourth option. Because A bar dot B bar already we discussed for first, second, third options. Now by verification we got. Otherwise, so what is the method, sir? Method also I am saying, let D bar is equal to D1i plus D2j plus D3k you take. D bar is equal to D1i plus D2j plus D3k. Later you can use the formula D bar dot A bar is equal to 0. You will be getting the two values. Later by using condition of coplanarity box BCD is equal to 0, you will be getting two values. By solving that D1, D2, D3, you get only two values because D bar dot A bar equal to 0. Then you get only two values. That is why option 3 you will be getting by solving the problem also. But verification is somewhat easy to solve. Let us do the 11th question. 11th question, R bar is a unit vector. Given value modulus of R bar equal to 1 and R bar is equal to x into B cross C given. R bar is equal to x into B bar cross C bar plus y into C bar cross A bar plus z into A bar cross B bar. Okay, that is the vector. Then find the vector. Find modulus of R bar dot A bar into B cross C plus modulus of R bar dot B bar into C cross A plus R bar dot C bar into A cross B is equal to dash. R bar modulus R is 1 is given. R is equal to x into B cross C plus y into C cross A plus z into A cross B given. R dot A, now I am writing. Now R bar dot A bar. What is the R bar dot A bar becomes simply x into ABC. X box ABC we can write. X box ABC. Like that R bar dot B bar is equal to y into box ABC. Okay. Next R bar dot C bar is equal to z into box ABC. Z into box ABC. Now R bar dot, now this one you should calculate. Again I am writing now to find out this one. R bar dot A bar. X into box ABC. We can say that, we can do one thing students, box ABC taken common for every letter. So you take here box ABC along with the modulus because modulus is given. Then you can write here or the value we got here x. So again you can write x into B cross C plus you can write y into C cross A plus now we can write z into A cross B. This is also modulus. So what we got? Modulus of R we got. Good question. ABC, box ABC. Box ABC into now we got modulus of R. Modulus of R is 1. That is equal to simply you put modulus of box ABC is the answer. Modulus of box ABC. It is third option. Students, simply first option is also there, but it's simple box ABC, but modulus of box ABC is only third option. Let us discuss about 12th question now. Total 19 questions are there. 12th question. If A bar, B bar are two mutually perpendicular unit vectors, whenever unit vector is given, you should try to understand that the magnitude of the vector is 1. A bar, B bar, C bar are A bar, B bar only 2 here. Given modulus of A is equal to 1 and modulus of B is equal to 1 and A bar perpendicular to B bar, that is A bar dot B bar equal to 0. The vectors he given X A bar, also I am writing, that is the condition. Also another condition, X A bar plus X B bar, X A bar plus X B bar plus Z into A bar cross B bar, X A plus X B plus Z into A cross B, comma, simple A bar plus A bar cross B bar, and another vector is there, and Z A bar plus ZB bar, ZA bar plus ZB bar plus Y into A cross B, Y into A cross B, lie in a plane. Lie in a plane means these three vectors are coplanar. These three vectors are coplanar. That is box, let it be alpha, beta, gamma concept. Let alpha bar, beta bar, gamma bar equal to 0. So we can use the determinant. So while calculating determinant, we can take a common box ABC. C is not there. So box here you can write box AB A cross B. Box AB A cross B. Here X, Z. Here 1, 0, B is not there. This is 1 quotient. This is Z, this is Y, equal to 0. Whenever he given, this is by taking comma, this becomes 0, taken that side. Here the condition A and B are two mutually perpendicular unit vectors. Mutually perpendicular unit vectors, A cross B is a vector, is C, ABC is equal to, maybe it is 1. A cross B is the perpendicular vector, both B and B. So then ABC we can take it is 1. So no problem, leave it. We should calculate about this one only. So X into 0 minus Z, X into 0 minus Z, minus X into Y minus Z, plus Z into Z equal to 0. Here you can write minus XZ, minus XY, plus XZ, plus Z square. This is Z square. Z square equal to 0. Minus XZ plus XZ get cancelled. Therefore, now you should write here Z square. This is Z square. Z square is equal to XY. Therefore, you can say that X comma Y comma Z are in GP and Z is the geometric mean. Z is the geometric mean of X comma Y. This is second option. From here onwards, some options of mistake he given during just by correction of old material, new material. Some mistakes are there. 12th question he given as third option, but it is 100% second option. 12th question mistake. Maybe 13, 14. Let us discuss about the whether mistakes are there. I will clarify. 12th question. Next, 12th question completed. Now let us discuss about 13th question. A bar, B bar, C bar given, and it is saying that ABC form a right-handed system. Right-handed system means a box ABC should be positive. Left-handed system means box ABC should be negative. 13th question. 13th question. A bar is equal to xi plus 12j minus k. A bar is equal to xi bar plus 12j, not y. xi bar plus 12j minus k, xi plus 12j minus k, and b bar is equal to 2i plus 2xj plus k, that is b bar, and c bar he given as I bar plus k bar. Given that ABC form a right-handed system, condition and see. Condition. What is the condition? Box ABC. Whenever it is forming right-handed system, box ABC greater than 0. Then now we can write the vector determinant is positive. I is equal, this is equal to, A bar is equal to, don't get confused that it is minus. So here x12 minus 1. Here the data x12 minus 1 and 2x, this is 2x. 2x and this is 1 and 1 0 1. Greater than 0 you should write. Greater than 0. While calculating the determinant, here x into 2x minus 12 into 2 minus 1 1. Minus 1 into 0 minus 2x, this is minus 2x greater than 0. Whenever he given it is left-handed system, box ABC less than 0, you should write. Now this is 2x square. Here 2x square. You do one thing, divide by 2 I am writing. So common, you say that you can divide the value 2. It becomes x square. X square, this is plus x. X square plus x minus 6 greater than 0 I am writing. Next, x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 greater than 0. X taken common, it becomes plus 3. Minus 2 taken common, it becomes plus 3 greater than 0. So we can say that x plus 3 into x minus 2 greater than 0. Therefore, x does not belongs to minus 3 comma 2. X should not lie between minus 3 comma 2. That is, x less than minus 3 comma x greater than 2, or x belongs to, like this you should write, minus infinity comma minus 3 open interval, union 2 comma infinity open interval, or domain concept I am writing. Domain is equal to real number minus the value whatever, wherever the value does not exist, you should write r minus of set bracket minus 3 comma 2. Now we have completed 13 questions. Let us discuss about 14th question. ABC are 3 non-coplanar vectors, non-zero also. Whenever he given the condition non-coplanar, non-zero, you can say that they are linearly independent or linearly independent concept. Let us discuss about the sum. 14th one. ABC are non-coplanar, non-zero. A dot A bar into B cross C. A bar into B cross C plus A bar into B cross C plus A bar B bar into C cross A plus A bar C bar into A cross B is equal to, this one we should calculate, A dot A B cross C plus A dot B C cross A plus A dot C A cross B. Now according to condition, he did not give any hint. Then you should try to understand ABC are 3 non-coplanar vectors. Let us, according to cross product I am writing, let A bar is equal to x into B cross C plus y into C cross A plus z into A cross B. Okay. Now A bar dot A bar. A bar dot A bar I am saying. A bar dot A bar, so box ABC. X into here it becomes box ABC. Next A bar dot B bar it becomes y into box ABC. Okay. I think this is completed. Next A bar dot C bar it becomes Z into box ABC. So we can write now, let it be 1. For 1 I am writing. For 1. For 1 A dot A, now we got box ABC into X, box ABC into Y like that. So whenever you take box ABC common here, you can take box ABC common here. Box ABC taken common, then you can say that X into B cross C plus Y into C cross A. Y into C cross A plus Z into A cross B. So whatever the vector we thought, the vector we got. So A into box ABC is there. Yes. A into box ABC. Box ABC into A bar we got. He written that the value A taken that side, no problem. You can write here BCA into A bar. Students, here we got in 14th question we got the value second option, but he given as third option, it is wrong. You can correct it. Okay, 14 questions completed. Now let us discuss about, so 14 questions completed. Whenever total 19 questions are there, total 19 questions are there, we have completed 14th one. So 15th question is somewhat lengthy, so we can discuss later in next class. Total remaining 5 sums we can discuss in next class. Okay, but change, correct the option. Okay.